Picture a two-dimensional being living on a flat plane. It knows left and right, forward and back, but nothing above or below. Now imagine a three-dimensional person passing through its world. At first, the 2D being sees only a point, then a line, a slice of form that grows and changes, then shifting shapes, curves, outlines, parts of a limb. To the 2D being, that sequence of slices looks like an entire lifespan. It calls that passing, birth, growth, aging, and then disappearance. But the 2D mind cannot see the whole 3D person at once. All it knows are the slices, the shadow of something far larger. Flip that idea up a dimension, and ask what we miss when we look only from inside our slice. What appears to us as a lifetime may be simply cross-sections of something four-dimensional passing through our space. We are three-dimensional beings, but what we call a lifetime may be the slices of a four-dimensional structure moving through us. Our higher self passes through a field that we experience as breath and time. Each inhale and exhale is part of the field that carries memory, identity, and awareness. To us, the process looks like aging, a gradual narrative from birth to death. But it could simply be our 3D shadow moving through a larger 4D flow. Like a shadow crossing a wall, our shape changes as the unseen form passes by. Just as the 2D being could not grasp the full 3D person, we cannot fully grasp our 4D self. Our perception is constrained by the slice we inhabit. The pattern repeats across scales, from particles vibrating in fields to galaxies cycling through time. Breath, time, and motion. The same fractal signature echoes everywhere. The fractal pattern repeats, slices inside a larger form, echoing at every scale. At the quantum level, particles vibrate in fields, patterns of presence and absence. We sample slices of that motion with detectors and sensors. At biological scales, life is cyclic. Emergence, growth, decay. Our lifespans feel continuous but look like ordered slices when viewed from outside. On cosmic scales, galaxies form, interact, and evolve, larger echoes of the same rhythm. From atom to organism to galaxy, the motif repeats, structure within flow. We are nested slices in an endless resonant architecture. That realization reframes what we call age and decay. It leads us to the idea of a resonance ladder, a map of how consciousness moves within the field. The resonance ladder explains how we move within this structure. Think of it as the alignment of frequencies. When two frequencies align, resonance strengthens, energy concentrates. Just as gravity pulls objects into resonance with mass, consciousness is pulled into resonance with states of being. Harmony raises us up the ladder. Dissonance pulls us down. Aging itself can be seen as resonance shifting, a gradual movement through the field of time. We can influence that movement, aligning with states that raise our resonance. Breath, attention, practice, small actions that shift our place on the ladder. In the end, the lesson is fractal. What looks like aging from inside the slice is only the shadow of a larger being passing through a greater field. We are more than we appear. Not just three-dimensional bodies in time, but four-dimensional patterns resonating through breath and gravity. Look for the resonances in your life, the harmonies that lift you, the dissonances that teach. The fractal repeats, particles, people, planets, each a slice of something greater. Breathe, notice, ascend.